Hi, I'm Deborah Collyar with Patient Advocates in Research, and I'm in Northern California. I was diagnosed back in the 90s with stage 3C triple negative breast cancer before we knew what it was. And I've also had a second primary. Although I'm not metastatic, I work a lot with metastatic patients and try to help bring better treatments to people through research and connect all of us so that we can make that happen. My life changed when I was diagnosed and I went from a computer executive to a patient advocate. I spend a lot of time in clinical trials. And one of the things is trying to expand eligibility criteria. If you've ever tried to be in a clinical trial and been excluded, you understand what I mean. Um, it's there for safety reasons and for companies to get their drugs approved or their treatments approved. It doesn't always work in real life. So the good news is they are expanding. FDA and NCI are on board with those expansions. And that includes things like a wider age range, including comorbidities, other medical conditions you might have, including brain mets and HIV diagnoses, shortening washout periods so you can have less time to spend off drug when you get on a new treatment, including more ongoing medications you might be taking, prior therapies you may have had, expanding lab test ranges and timeframes of when those tests can be done, as well as including more people who may be a little sicker than we've included in the past. So I hope that you'll join me and the Metastatic Breast Cancer Alliance. We're here all year and we're working to try to make clinical trials better as well as get better treatments and results for people with cancer. Thanks.